guys, I have here a dietary supplement. This is made from Made Choice, guys. So this kind of dietary supplement, this is turmeric, bioperine, garlic, ginger, 2,360 milligrams, non-GMO, non-fillers, professional brand. As you can see from USA, guys, that is the flag. So the suggested use is 3 capsules daily with a meal and 8 ounces of water. That is the suggested. So the serving size is 3 capsules. Serving per container is 40. That is, guys. So this is new for me and I'm so excited because I love really dietary supplement. And we have this to be always fresh the you can see fresh the there is a color because there is a turmeric. This is the effect. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. That's it. New. Check my water. That's it, guys. What are you waiting for, guys? Check the details below and buy now.